Hi.
Hi Natasha, welcome to Interwood.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here.
What inspired you to start cooking?
So, I come from a family of fantastic cooks who've traveled all over Asia, from Iran to Burma, Bangladesh, India, and finally settled in Pakistan. So I really, really like that kind of food. And when I shifted to Lahore, मुझे वो सारा खाना नहीं मिला, and I had to make it myself. So that inspired me to go into the kitchen and start cooking.
How much time do you spend in the kitchen?
Oh, I want to spend so much time in the kitchen, especially if it looks like this, but I think I manage at least 3 hours a day.
How important is good lighting when it comes to kitchen?
And I think lighting is very important because it adds beauty and elegance to a kitchen, but also I can really see what I'm cooking very well. Now, a lot of people sometimes think that good lighting is expensive, but that's not the case. And आप रोज तो kitchen बना नहीं रहे होते. So it's a good idea to invest in beauty and elegance so that your kitchen looks like this.
Do you think it's possible to create a fully functional kitchen in limited space?
Of course it is. Just take a look at this. Interwood customizes kitchens according to what you need. And I believe they have something for every price point. So you have to come over and check it out for yourself.
What materials to use for a messy, kids-friendly kitchen?
Yes, kids can be very messy. I have 2 children. Of course, they're now very grown up, but there will always be food spills and stains. But thanks to brands like Interwood, who have brought innovation within their technology. So now what's happening is, with waterproof material and antimicrobial technology, that increases the life of the kitchen overall.
Can you tell us what kind of countertop to look for while making a kitchen?
You know that we are cooking every single day, and जब आप खाना बना रहे होते हैं तो it is, probable कि वो kitchen stain हो जाता है. So it's very important that you get a countertop that doesn't absorb the stain. And also, Interwood has a variety of colors, so you can choose your countertop to go with the overall aesthetics of your home and your kitchen.
What's your idea of a perfect kitchen?
Functionality for me is very important. मैं बहुत खाना बनाती हूँ. सारा वक्त मेरे घर लोग आते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, and that's the most important thing for me, that everything is near me. मेरे करीब वो सारी चीजें. And सफाई is the most important thing to me as well. And thanks to Interwood kitchens, they have this antimicrobial technology that makes it easy to clean the shelves and the countertops. So that's very, very important to me.
Can you tell us the secret of happy, hassle-free cooking?
So, I need to have everything within reach, as I've already mentioned to you earlier. और आप जितना भी अपने carpenter को समझाने की कोशिश करें, give them the minutest of details, but they can't get that right. I'm just so happy and excited about these kitchens because look at this. Everything is within reach. Everything opens up so smoothly, and they've actually thought of everything. So this is something that you can get from these kitchens that you cannot get from a carpenter.
Can you give us any tips for those of us with a very small kitchen space?
You don't have to let a small kitchen space hamper your dreams of a great kitchen, because just look at this. You can do so much here at Interwood and get a customized kitchen of your choice. It's been a pleasure, and it's been a very exciting day for me because I love kitchens, and you know that.